In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture in Canva template. Start by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. You can type the address directly or search for Canva and choose the official result. When the site loads, make sure you're logged into your account so your designs save and sync. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on the home page. From the home page, click the Create button at the top. This opens up your options for starting a design. Don't worry too much about size at this point. You'll be applying a template, and you can always adjust the page later if needed. Now choose a template you want to work with. Use the search bar to find a theme or style, like a poster, presentation, or social post, and scan the thumbnails. Hover to preview the layout and pick one that fits your project. Click it to open the editor with your template ready to customize. On the left side of the editor, look for the Uploads tab. This is your hub for bringing images from your device into Canva. Click Uploads, then click Upload Files. A file picker will open so you can navigate to your photo. Select the image you want and confirm. Canva will show a quick progress indicator. Give it a moment to complete, especially if the photo is large or your connection is slower. Once the upload finishes, your image appears in the Uploads panel. Click the photo to place it onto the canvas. If your template includes a photo frame or placeholder, you can drag your image over that area and it will snap into the frame automatically, perfectly filling the shape. Next, refine the placement. Drag the corner handles to resize the image proportionally without distortion. Click and drag to move it around the page until it aligns with the other elements in your template. If you need a slight adjustment, use your keyboard's arrow keys to nudge the image into position. You can also rotate the picture using the rotation handle above the image for a better angle that matches your design's flow. If something is covering your photo or sitting behind it, use the position controls in the top toolbar to bring the image forward or send it backward, keeping your layout clean and layered correctly. And that's all there is to it. You've uploaded your picture, placed it into the template, and adjusted the size and position for a polished look. Repeat the same process for any additional images you want to include. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Canva.